Hey there everyone, welcome back to Tokos Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing this to see, not on the Xbox Series X, but to see if this works on my gaming computer right down there. Somewhere down there. Microsoft Xbox Elite Series 2 Gaming Pro Controller. Opening the Xbox Elite Series 2 box, you find the controller. Inside you see the switches and thumb pad and the different size joystick. It also comes with a magnetic charger. In front of the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, you see it has a USB-C port to charge. On the bottom of the Xbox Elite Series 2 Pro controller, there are 4 ports for the custom switches that you can customize to bind to whatever you like to set that to. You also notice the bottom switches on your left and right above the 4 ports. You can use this for setting up your hair trigger so you have no delay when playing FPS games. In the back you can see it has the same ports for the gaming headset. You can charge the Elite Series 2 inside the case by opening the rubber port in front of the case with the magnetic charger installed in. And since it's magnetic, it should drop right on with no problem. And it comes with a USB-C, get this, 10-foot sleeve charging cable. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Now, comparing the latest standard Xbox controller to the Elite Series 2 controller, no chance, not even close to the Elite Series 2 controller. I mean, look at the joy customization with the joystick size. It kind of feels like a keyboard on a controller, if you ask me, to be honest. With the extra switches on the bottom of the controller, you can really lead the pack in FPS gaming, racing games, RPG games, and more. First, you mess around with the tension, then you enable the hair trigger on the software. Then now you can release your inner controller Elite Series 2 Beast Mode. And it's simple as that. And so my review on this concerning the PC, it works great, and I truly believe that you can do more on the PC than the consoles. Even though this was made for console, but I truly believe that there's more settings that are more enabled on the PC, so you can utilize its customization. And there's so much stuff on the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller that would make you a better player, especially you know, the bigger joysticks. And I'm telling you, man, it feels like a keyboard on a controller. That's the way it feels. My gaming has been more accurate as far as using a controller, because I use mouse and keyboard, but it doesn't get better than that. So having said that, guys, if you guys like content like this, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you guys have any comments or any questions, drop it down below. If you guys are new to my channel or a returning viewer, and you want to continue to see content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're definitely helping me out to continue further push out videos like this every week. And like always, guys, all fathers from Tokos Reviews. Peace.